In the business review this week, we look at the new venture by Westmoreland businessman Patrick Mazuka after his car-making venture folded in 2007. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Failing at producing cars in Jamaica and shutting down XL Motors, Patrick Mazuka is now eyeing a new venture, one he believes will be a game changer.
In 2016, I happened to be in Dominican Republic. And everywhere you go in Dominican Republic, you see gasoline stations and LPG stations. And of course, my inquisitive mind starts to work. Why the LPG station?
Mr. Mazuka's interest peaked. He approached the person he saw installing the station, and after a brief conversation, he said he went home and did his own research. LPG, and in this particular case, propane, used mainly in Jamaica as a cooking gas, was found to be cleaner burning and more efficient than gasoline.
Propane initially started in Europe maybe 40 years ago, 50 years ago.
In vehicles?
In vehicles, yes, it's been 50 years it's been using. And I found, after lots and lots of research, which is the best kit that I can use to install it and try it in my own vehicles.
He said he bought 6 kits to start and retrofitted some of his own vehicles. Finding it to work even better than he read in his research, he approached the government.
I spoke to the then Minister of National Security, who was Peter Bunting, and Peter liked the idea. Major General Saunders was a permanent secretary at the time. He liked the idea. And then the government changed. And I spoke to Bobby Montague, who liked the idea. And they said, let us go ahead and put 10 vehicles in test.
Now, converting a vehicle from a gasoline to an LPG kit like this costs around 200,000 Jamaican dollars. And Mr. Mazuka says it will pay for itself within about 3 months. Mr. Mazuka said it will also save the country millions on the fuel bill, especially given that LPG is cheaper than gasoline, adding that the police are now reviewing the results of their test. He said the meter readers have placed orders for their vehicles to be converted to be using LNG. It's a venture he said he wants to take island-wide.
Let us put it in as they do in Dominican Republic, start saving money, and more importantly, start cleaning the atmosphere. Let us keep Jamaica clean.
For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.